Finely ground brown rice flour is an excellent substitute for wheat flour in baking recipes. Here is how to make super easy, warm and gooey, absolutely delicious and nutritious gluten-free cookies using brown rice flour. Take 1 cup of melted cold-pressed coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 medium-size eggs, 1/4 cup of regular granulated sugar, half a cup brown sugar, and give the ingredients a good mix. Once all the ingredients are well combined, set it aside for a moment and mix together all the dry ingredients. In a separate mixing bowl, mix together 1½ cups of brown rice flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt. Now, carefully add the dry ingredients to wet ingredients and slowly mix them together. I like to use brown rice flour for the best taste and texture. However, white rice flour or even regular wheat flour will also work for this cookie recipe. And finally, fold in the chocolate chips. Once the cookie dough is ready, using your hands or an ice cream scoop, roll the dough into small balls and place them on the baking sheet. Make sure to leave some space between each dough ball. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius and bake the cookies for about 10 to 12 minutes. Check out more mouth-watering and nutritious cookie recipes using brown rice flour. Follow the link in the description below this video for my 7 best brown rice flour cookie recipes and some useful tips and tricks on using brown rice flour in baking recipes. Check it out now.